If dropout ka, naisip mo palang mag-drop out or gusto mong bumalik, you are not alone. Bakit? Kasi 4 out of 10 college students drop out despite the free tuition law. And mas mataas pa sa ibang region like BARMM which has a whopping rate of 90%. Hindi lang din to basta data kasi galing to sa Congressional Commission on Education dito sa Pilipinas or ang EDCOM 2. Yes, meron tayong grupo ng mga tao na nag-aaral ng education sa Pilipinas at paano pa to i-improve. Mahabang usapan pa kung bakit at kung anong magandang gawin, pero one of my biggest takeaways here is hindi ka nag-iisa. Kasi nung nag-drop out ako, hindi ko na-feel na marami pala tayo. It's concerning na marami siya at ganun kataas yung numbers. Pero the feeling of being looked down upon and the feeling na you don't feel like you can reach out to anyone who's going through the same feelings, mahirap siya. So, I wish I knew na mas madami pala yung mga humaharap sa ganitong realidad. If you're going through the same thing, just remember na you're not alone and this is a reality for a lot of Filipinos. So, if you wanna know more about the data, may report yung EDCOM 2 sa website nila. So, pwede mo na lang din yun i-google. And sobrang comprehensive ng report. It's almost 400 pages. Super haba niya. Pero may section for basic education, for college, recommendations, and that could help you dive deeper to understand the realities of education in the Philippines. So, yun lang.